Hello and welcome to my course on Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. I am Dr. Amna Umar and I will be your instructor for this course. This course will teach you all the essential concepts of CBT. It will help improve your mental health, and if you are a healthcare professional, it will also enable you to make your patients' lives better. In this course, you will learn the most effective techniques to manage stress, anxiety, and negative thought patterns. Cognitive behavioral therapy is one of the most effective treatments for managing psychological challenges. In this course, you will learn how to identify and challenge negative thought patterns, set clear personal goals, and apply powerful CBT techniques that are backed by research. We will cover topics such as understanding cognitive behavioral therapy, goal setting, identifying negative thought patterns, how to challenge these negative thought patterns, challenging core beliefs, using behavioral therapy techniques, and practicing relaxation and mindfulness skills. Whether you are a mental health professional, a student, or someone interested in personal development, this course is tailored for you. By the end of this course, you will have a deeper understanding of CBT theory. Most importantly, you will learn practical skills that you can use personally and professionally. You will be able to use CBT to improve your own personal well-being, and you will also be able to use it at your clinical practice as a doctor. Enroll today and let's start transforming the way you think, feel, and behave. See you in the course.